You want to go to Tokyo either for part of the Mistveil World premiere or just for vacation. In this short video I'll try to pack as much info as I can about the Tokyo must-dos. Also, in the description you can find my Google Doc with lots of more info and ideas about your stay, including food, drinks, one-day trips, stores, tourist locations, etc. I've been to Tokyo 8 times as a tourist and I want to share my favorites with you. Also, I filmed a spoiler video for Bright Lights there. This is not an extensive guide, and I recommend to watch other YouTube content about Tokyo for more ideas. First, let's start on moving around Tokyo. When you land in Tokyo, I recommend you to buy a welcome suica or a passport at the airport. You can use the card to pay for trains and vending machines all around Japan. The easiest way to travel around Tokyo is by using the Yamanote line. It is a loop that goes through Tokyo and can take you to several interesting spots. It also has a stop to the venue where part of the Mistveil World premiere is happening at the Takanababa Hall, and Tokyo Fab Store is also at that stop. Let's talk some of the places that I recommend on the Yamanote line. Ueno Park is a nice park with national museums and it also has a zoo. Shibuya has the famous crossing that you see in every Tokyo video. Also, I recommend to go to the Shibuya observation deck, preferably at night. I prefer it over Tokyo Tower and Skytree. You can also find a Mega Don Quixote there. I recommend to check it out for souvenirs and random stuff. If you want a nice observation spot for free, you can visit the government building in Shinjuku. Close to the government building there is also the Shinjuku garden, which is very nice to visit for a nice relaxing day. Another stop on the Yamanote line you can skip is Harajuku. You have the eccentric Takeshita Street with lots of shops, including the food stalls you see on TikTok. And from there you can visit the Meiji Jingu Shrine. And also my favorite park in Tokyo, the Yoyogi Park. Following along that line you have Akihabara, the electric district with many stores that have TCGs, action figures, etc. The last place I highly recommend on the Yamanote line is Tokyo Station. I really like the architecture and it also has many stores and many restaurants inside. From here you can also go to the Imperial Palace Gardens that you can visit for free. Other places not on the Yamanote line that are very easy to get to and are must-see in my opinion are the Sensoji Temple at Asakusa. There are also plenty of cool shops and food stands along the road. Tokyo Skytree, with the viewing deck and plenty of nice shops inside, is also a nice place to visit. And lastly, my favorite, Odaiba. You can find the Gundam statue at Diver City, and there is also a big arcade called Sega Joypolis. Let me talk about few of my favorite food spots in Tokyo. My absolute favorite is roast beef Ono in Akihabara, that also has a new location in Harajuku. Here you can eat Wagyu roast beef, which is quite delicious, and I usually go there twice every trip I do to Tokyo. The Whiskey Library is a place that I really enjoy and has a huge selection of whiskey and also delicious food. But in the end, you can't go wrong in any restaurants in Tokyo. I had only one bad experience in all the times I've been there. For hotels, a chain that I liked in the past is KQX Inn. It has the same price as other Japanese chains, but with slightly bigger rooms. Wrapping up the video, I want to share you some extra tips and tricks. Be equipped to have internet. It is going to be really useful, so either rent a pocket Wi-Fi at the airport or use roaming services from your provider. Google Maps is essential for train schedules. It has timetables and also which track to go to get your train. English is not spoken everywhere, so the Google Translator is a useful tool to have access if you don't know Japanese. If you are on a budget or if you need a quick bite, you can go to the many convenience stores that are everywhere to grab some delicious food and some drinks for cheap. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter or Discord. Thank you for watching.